ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ श्वः ह्यः वयं पश्यामः गणप्रत्ययस्य अभ्यासः, किन्तु just to catch up, just to see, because these two we have not seen. इन धातुओं के घय प्रत्यय लगाकर रूप बनाओ. सो पठः विल बी किम भविष्यति? सो घय प्रत्यय बिफोर पाठः सत्यम करेक्ट. सो इन घय प्रत्यय व्हाट हैपेंस इज उपदा गुण. सो प पा ली ले in that way, and then this visarga will come. किमर्थं गय प्रत्यय पुल्लिंग अस्ति, पुल्लिंग शब्दः अस्ति कम पाठः लेखः. इन दिस वे all of these, anything you can take, हासः हानः वादः वासः त्यागः, all of this will change into गय प्रत्यय. आधारः, anyway they had given all the other शब्दस. अस्तु, वाक्य बनाओ. पाठः 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 के साथ any वाक्य. After a long time, Vakya Banawa has come.
So, we say, Rachananuvada Kaumudyaha, Pathaha, Shobhanaha, some good part.
Satyam, Bahu Samyak, Shobhana Asti. Api cha, ye Pataha, something like Tritiya Dinankat, from the third day. रचनानुवादकौमुदी इति पाठः जायते. Something you can say to mix with something else. त्रायते, any sentences for त्रायते?
स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्.
बहु सम्यक्. I was hoping somebody would say that. Wonderful. Second chapter. Huh?
त्रायते विषयान् पुंसाम्.
That is ध्यायते.
I think, no?
ध्यायतो, right? ध्यायतो विषयान्.
Yes.
Second chapter 62nd shloka, and this is second chapter 40th shloka, I think. नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो त्रायते. अस्तु, then त्यागः, any sentence with त्यागः? अपि च ऋते डिफरेंट. सत्यम,
वहाँ पर जो त्यागः आता है.
सम्यक. त्यागात् शान्तिरनन्तरम. That is 12th chapter, right? 12th chapter 12th shloka. श्रेयो हि ज्ञानम् अभ्यासात् ज्ञानात् ध्यानं विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागस् त्यागात् शान्तिरनन्तरम. त्याग, correct. And ऋते?
No, but one second. Are we using the word tyagah? So
okay.
that way the tyagas.
Correct. Tyagas. Visarjaniyasya saha. And rite? Rite also comes, right, in Gita. Rite pitvam. Does that come? I'm not sure. Anyway, rite, any sentences with rite? Rite means what? Pratamaha. Kim artham? Rite iti shabdas. Vina. Satyam. Correct. So is
ज्ञानात् रते न सुखम.
सत्यम, सम्यक. ज्ञानात् रते न सुखम भवति, सुखम न भवति. अस्तु, फाइनल. संयोग, एनी सेंटेंस, एनीथिंग विथ संयोग?
हस्तस्य कन्दुकस्य च संयोगः सम्बन्धः अस्ति, लाइक इन तर्कसङ्ग्रह.
हस्तस्य कन्दुकस्य च संयोगसम्बन्धः अस्ति. सत्यं, सम्यक्. ओके, यू कैन से दैट. संयोग, 6th chapter, right, in Gita. Dukkha संयोग वियोग योगम. yoga definition. Tam vidya dukkha sanyoga viyogam yoga sangitam. Nishchayena yotivyo yogo nirvina chetasa. Jayate, of course, will come many times in Gita also. See, all of these shabdas are Ghay Pratyay. You see so many instances in Bhagavad Gita. Ghay Pratyay. Everything we can say. Prahara, Bhoga, somewhere it will come. Sanyoga, Tyaga, Rite, Trayate, Jayate. Everything is in Bhagavad Gita. So many instances. Jayate. Jayate. न जायते सत्यम न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित. Easy one. And Ritepi Tvam will come in 11th chapter. As Rite, Arjuna will say Ritepi Tvam. Without this I cannot do this, etc. Kalosmi, Bhagavan Vacha. Kalosmi lokakshayakrit pravruddho lokan samahartum iha pravritta. Ritepi Tvam na bhavishyanti sarve. Without all this will not be there at all. Eva sthitaha pratyanikeshu yoda. Okay.
Adarji, I had a doubt on the Shabda Rita. Ganpati Atharva Shirsh mein aata hai ya somewhere Ritam Vachmi. So is that the different Shabda?
Ritam means Satyam. Ritam not only in Ganapati Atharva Shirsha Upanishad, even in Shanti Mantra of Aitareya Upanishad. Sundarji?
Shanti Mantra.
Shanti Mantra of Aitareya Upanishad, Shanti Mantra in Taittiriya Upanishad, it comes Ritam Vadishyami, Satyam Vadishyami. That one. So Ritam there is Satyam. Rite is Bina. So this is a slightly different meaning. Rite we had seen in Tritiya Bhakti Abhyasa. Astu anyway, agree. Abhyasa.
See, also sorry. The Nivarayati.
Nivarayati.
So if I saw this word, I would have considered it to be more niche pratyaya, right?
Yes, you can say that. Now see, niche pratyaya, if a dhatu is in churadi gana, जैसे चुर धातु, चुर धातु प्रथम पुरुष लट लकार एकवचन किम भविष्यति? चोरयति. उसमें निच प्रत्यय नास्ति ना तत्र. There is no निच प्रत्यय in चोरयति. So चुरादि गण धातु में निच प्रत्यय न भवति. धातु.
So Nivara is also churadi gana.
Ni upasarga. So if you varayati. But in some places, so your reasoning is correct in the sense that there is nothing wrong with them giving nich pratyay in these also, right? It is possible. It is just that, like for example, vrudhatu will become in vrudhatu, I don't know which gana it will be, I guess maybe Vadi gana, we'll have to check there. Vrudhatu, Vadi gane, that will become varayati, right? Vrudhatu in with nich pratyaya, varayati. Nivarayati, you can add ni upasarga purvak to that varayati also, with nijanta. There also it is possible. So you have to see what the meaning there is. But here vri is vri avarane, to cover, right? This is churadigana, this varayati, because that is the prasanga here. Context is that. But this vridhatu comes in some other gana also. Abhyasa dvachatvarimshat. Astu. Abhaji कृपया पठतु प्रथमा तृतीय त्रीणि पंक्त्याः. त्रयः पंक्त्याः.
Madhu, shahad, meetha.
Honey or
honey and sweet.
Satyam. Agree?
Daru, lakdi. मतलब
wood. Wood.
Yeah. Janu, bhujna, me. Jal, water.
Ambu.
Vastu,
Ambu.
vastu.
This is ambu. Up is also there. Ambu is also. Up, Ambu.
Ambu, up, Vari. We did yesterday बहुत सारे.
Vari, Jala,
Yes.
Neer, I said that is also correct.
Yeah.
Many are there. Ambu also. Asta. Satyam. Ambu. And then, Agre, Abhaji.
Vastu. Vastu is for object.
Correct.
Generally.
Yes.
Sometimes we use it for Atma as well, है ना?
Vastu object is
Got it.
object is
Yeah, object. Yeah. Vastu, dhana.
thing you can
Dhana
say.
means
Vas-
thing.
हाँ.
Thing. Correct. Vasu is dhana. Wealth.
Correct.
Yeah.
Wealth.
Ashru, asu, tears, or tear. I don't know, singular or plural.
Asu. Tear.
Singular. Jatu, यानी कि लाख. Oh, okay. That लाक्षाग्रह जिससे बना था.
जो वृक्ष से
Element.
नहीं, जो वृक्ष से आता है ना, निकलता
हाँ,
है.
जो वृक्ष से तो that लाक्षाग्रह बनाया था ना, जो पांडवों
सत्यम.
के लिए.
हाँ.
That one, लाख का घर.
Yes. What you say in English? Lacquer.
Shmashru.
I think lacquer.
Black is wax. It's like
Wax. हाँ, wax.
Yeah, it's
Wax.
a red kind.
Satyam.
In Shmashru, dari, beard.
Mustache. More specifically, mushroom means mustache.
अच्छा तो फिर मूंछ देना चाहिए हिंदी में.
Why they don't, I don't know, but mushroom you can say mustache. Dadi is also there. Beard, mustache, facial hair. Astu. Agre, trapu.
Okay, fine. Trapu is ranga. I don't know this word.
Ranga जो है tin का metal.
यहाँ पर धातु मेटल की बात कर रहे हैं, मेटल्स की बात कर रहे हैं. So tin. Trapu, ranga, tin. Sanu, पर्वत की चोटी. The top of the mountain.
Peak.
The shikhar. Is it like
Peak, mountain peak, or whatever, summit,
Yeah,
you can say, no?
summit.
Summit,
Shikhar also, right?
not peak, summit is better. Shikhar,
Summit. Summit. Okay. Talu is talu, जो face में मुंह के अंदर का जो भाग होता है.
palate, kantha talu, उसमें जो तालु होता है. Satyam. There is a point here, we should see this because it's an important point. Little out of topic, but for us it is very in topic. Out of context for Rachana Valkam. Vastu Shabda में, so this atra abhyasaha trich pratyay से अभ्यासः अस्ति. So trich pratyay will come many times, नीचे है. किंतु वस्तु इति शब्द trich pratyay नास्ति. Vastu iti shabde there is a pratyay. In Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sar Sangrah they said come. Anybody remembers? 3-4 times it has come. There is a pratyaya astu agre vastu iti tun pratyaya. Tun. Or tun pratyaya ki sutra is not in Panini Maharishi's 4000s. I mean, it is not in the main sutra patha. It is in Unadi patha. So, this question has come a few times, but I want to show Unadi. So when you go to Unadi Patha here on the drop down, you can search Tun. If I search even Tun, right? Even if I don't remember the sutra, let me just search Tun because it is Vases Tun. But just if I, this sutra you see 1.75. Vases Tun. You see Vastu. So Unadi sutras are there for these kinds of reasons. The shabdas that are not really addressed fully by Sutra Patha, Dhatu Patha, etc. Some of those shabdas like Avyayanta shabdas sometimes, they will be in Unadi Sutra. So this is 1.75 Unadi Sutra. Vasestun. Vastu जो शब्द जब भी आता है ये वसेस्तुन के कार्य. आगे
आदर्श जी वेरी क्विकली हम अष्टाध्यायी में उनादि कैसे सर्च करते हैं?
यस उनादि पाठ जो है ना ड्रॉप डाउन राइट में जो ड्रॉप डाउन दैट सेटिंग्स इज देयर
डायरेक्टली मिलता है. यू डोंट गो टू गुणा एंड सर्च फॉर इट. ओके
नो गुणा नहीं उणा जस्ट यूएनए उनादि पाठ. सो यू जस्ट गो टू उनादि. अस्तु ख ख सुंदर जी कृपया पठतु ख धातवः
नृत नाचना व्यद बींदना मारना
नाचना डांस बींदना वारना is like pierce or hit मारना hit व्यद बींदना pierce
and pushed करना
they say how you say nourish maybe nourish
शुश सूखना
जैसे in Bhagavad Gita Bhagavan says that atma you cannot dry atma na shoshayati marutaha वो ये शुश प्लस निच शोषयति अग्रे
तुष संतुष्ट होना श्लिष चिपकना आलिंगन करना
चिपकना stick to something and आलिंगन करना hug embrace etc even तृप्त होना आलिंगन में you can also take mentally just not only physically but mentally also like you are embracing thought
an idea
in that way so both ways you can take shlish dhatu generally it is physical then ranj
प्रसन्न होना
लगना
also
वो काम में लगना वैसे
not as in get hurt
नहीं प्रसन्न होना है अर्थ में होगा ना तो प्रसन्न होना हैप्पी शुभ नहीं शुद्ध हाँ they are not maybe there is a print here शुद्ध will be शुद्ध होना ऐसे purify get purified शुद्ध होना अग्रे अहमेव पठामि स्वादिष्ट will be like a delicious स्वादिष्ट सर्वनामस्थान delicious and then bahu
स्वादिष्ट is good for health
good for health also you can say yes
Swadishta is tasty
good for the mouth
tasty no sattvic will be good for health
sattvic will be not only good for health sattvic will be good for purifying swadishta good for mouth maybe you can say good for the taste buds delicious tasty स्वाद बोलते हैं ना ऐसा बहुत स्वाद देन बहुत many होत्र जैसे हम देख रहे हैं बृहदारण्यक में ये सीन इन बृहदारण्यक होता and then तृतीया होत्रा in that way then in Kathopanishad होता शब्द will come in second द्वितीय अध्याय द्वितीय वल्ली होता ध्रुजा what is that 2.2.2 द्वितीय अध्याय द्वितीय वल्ली द्वितीय मंत्र it is if anyone can see please tell me I've forgotten 222 katha and rakshitra rakshakarta protector so in all these shabdas strilinga will just be जैसे होत्री रक्षित्री ऐसे होगा they given examples underneath okay then सूचना मधु तालु मधुवत so all like madhu अग्रे अस्ति अपि च नृत शुद्ध दिव के तुल्य तो दिवादिगण all of this is दिवादिगण दिव धातु will become दिव्यति we saw that like that only all these dhatus also the same divadi like दिव के तुल्य व्याकरण मधु नृत त्रिच षष्ठी मधु शब्द के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो देखो शब्द संख्या त्रयोविंशति Madhu.
I checked the 2-2. 222,
222.
which is Valli 2, Mantra 2.
Yes.
No. It has to be, is that right? Of the second Adhyaya, I have to check, right?
Yeah, 222. This is correct.
Is it one? Sorry. Okay. Carry on, please. I'll let you know.
222 will be a 4-line mantra. Hamsashuchishat Vasurantarikshat Hota Vedishat. Hota. I think this is that. Apache, if you confirm, that will be helpful. I think this is Hota Vedishat Atithir Duronasat. There Hota Shabda comes. Dvitiya Adhyaya, Dvitiya Valli, Dvitiya Mantra, Dvitiya Pada. All 2. Anyway. सुमंजय जी कृपया पठतु मधु शब्द उकारांत नपुंसकलिंग शब्द किं भविष्यति?
मधु मधुनी मधूनि मधु मधुनी मधूनि मधुना मधुभ्यां मधुभिः मधुने मधुभ्यां मधुभ्यः मधुनः मधुभ्यां मधुभ्यः मधुनः मधुनोः मधूनां मधुनि मधुनोः मधुषु हे मधु मधो हे मधुनि हे मधुनि. Reminds me of Madhuvata Rutayante.
Yeah, absolutely. This from here only, right? Shahad Sehi wo. So all of this is linked to that mantra. Important point here is Prathama Bahuvachana, Dvitiya Bahuvachana, Shashti Bahuvachana and Sambodhana Bahuvachana. These are all Dirgha U. Everything else is Hrasva U. Everything is Hrasva except 4 Shabdas. So in the same way, Madhu, jaise all the other Shabdas also will go. Like this Daru, Janu, Ambu, Vastu, whatever. Everything is Ukaranta, Napumsakalinga. Agre, Nrit Dhatu. Nrit Dhatu, Dhatu Sankhya, Eka Chatvarimshat. Kutra asti? एकचत्वारिंशत् नृत्य धातु नृत्य टू डांस. अवंतिका जी कृपया पठतु लट् अपि च लोट्. These 2 are more important for us. Lat lot.
Which one?
Nrit नाचना. Lat lot.
Lat and lot. Nrityati, nrityatah, nrityanti, नृत्यसि, नृत्यथा, नृत्यथ, नृत्यामि, नृत्यावः, नृत्यामः.
सत्यम. लोट.
नृत्यतु, नृत्यतां, नृत्यन्तु, नृत्य, नृत्यतं, नृत्यत, नृत्यानि, नृत्याव, नृत्याम.
सत्यम. सम्यक्. अत्र Nrityani, important point to note. Many people, not Avantika ji said it correctly, but many people sometimes they say Nrityami. Nrityami nasti, Nrityani. Latlakare, Nrityati, Nritya, Nrityanti. In this way only, Atraiva asti, Sarve dhatavaha, Push dhatu, Vyad dhatu, Shush dhatu, Tush dhatu, Sarve. Nitivat, Divyati. Lang lakare, Anrityat, Anrityatam, Anrityan. Anrityaha, Anrityatam, Anrityata, Anrityam, Anrityava, Anrityama. We dealing Nrityet, Nrityetam, Nrityehu, Nrityehe, Nrityetam, Nrityeta, Nrityeyam, Nrityeva, Nrityema. Apicha, Nrit lakare, Nartishyati. This is also one more point. Nrit nasti, Nartishyati, Nartyati is also correct. Dono prakar se. So 2 ways is there. Nartishyati, Nartishyata, Nartishyanti. अथवा नर्त्यति नर्त्यतः नर्त्यन्ति. बोथ आर करेक्ट. नर्तिष्यसि नर्तिष्यतः नर्तिष्यतः नर्तिष्यामि 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 नर्त्यति. सेम वे इट विल फॉलो. इट इज परस्मै पद, नो आत्मनेपद. टू डांस, डांसिंग इज ऑलवेज परस्मै पद. लुट, नर्तिता नर्तितारो नर्तितारो, जैसे कर्ता बट स्लाइटली डिफरेंट ऑफ कोर्स. आशीर्लिंग नृत्यात् नृत्यास्तां नृत्यासुः. दिस इज प्रथम पुरुष. And ring dakara prathama purusha anartishyat athava anarthyat. Same like rit. This will also have two rupas. Both will be correct. Lit lakare past. Nanartha nanartatuhu nanrituhu. Nanarthitha nanritatuhu nanrita. Nanartha nanritiva nanritima. Aham nanartha. Or sa nanartha nataraja nanartha. You can say that. Nataraja Bhavan nanartha. He danced. That. Lung lakare anartita anartishtam anartishu anartihi anartishtam anartishta anartisham anartishva anartishta. Astu. Abhaji, did you find Katha?
Yes, I did. And I shared with you.
I know, I saw a message.
I cannot read it. But वो सिद्ध में है. Okay, I will tell you. Because मुझे पढ़ना नहीं आ रहा है बहुत अच्छे से. I'm not used to reading that mantra.
Hagumsa shuchishad, है ना? वही है.
हाँ, correct. It is in that mantra. You are right. So Shuchi Shadva Suranta Riksha Siddhota. So it is like Siddha plus Hota.
No, you're splitting at the wrong place. Hagumsa Shuchishat. Shuchishat. Then Vasuhu Antarikshasat.
Vasu Antarikshasa.
Hota Vedishat.
Hota. Okay.
Aditi Duronasat. That way this will be.
Yeah.
So this 2. Everything is true.
It is. I had a difficulty because the book that I have, they didn't do 2. They did दूसरा अध्याय का वल्लीज as 4 and 5. So I had to find it in 5.
Fifth valli. Fifth valli द्वितीय मंत्र. Right.
Yeah.
सत्यम्. अस्तु. अग्रे अभ्यास चतुर्दश में दिए षष्ठी के नियम पुनः स्मरण करो. चतुर्दश would be 40 page. नियम षष्ठी शेषे. नियम 51 षष्ठी शेषे संबंध का बोध कराने के लिए षष्ठी विभक्ति होते हैं. संबंध का, तो जहाँ पे संबंध है, यत्र संबंध अस्ति तत्र षष्ठी विभक्ति अस्ति. जैसे गंगायाः जलम, रामस्य पुस्तका. इवन nowadays we have been seeing in तर्क संग्रह and वेदांत परिभाषा गंगायाः घोषः for जहल लक्षणा अजहल लक्षणा सर्वे गंगायाः घोषः in that way. So गंगायाः there also षष्ठी. रामस्य पुस्तकम देवदस्य दिनम रामायणस्य कथा सर्वे. षष्ठी हेतु प्रयोगे. हेतु शब्द के साथ षष्ठी होती है. अन्नस्य होतोः वसति. अन्नस्य षष्ठी. निमित्त पर्याय प्रयोगे सर्वासाम प्राय दर्शनम. व्हाट इज दिस? निमित्त अर्थ वाले शब्दों, निमित्त कारण हेतु प्रयोजन, इनके साथ प्रायः सभी विभक्तियां होती है. किम निमित्तम वसति, केन निमित्तेन, कस्मै निमित्ताय, कस्य हेतोः, कस्मात् कारणात्, केन प्रयोजन, सर्वे सन्ति. ऑल आर करेक्ट, नॉट जस्ट षष्ठी. अधिगर्तदयेषां कर्मणि किं भविष्यति? स्मरण अर्थ की धातुओं के साथ कर्म में षष्ठी होती है. मातुः स्मरति, लाइक खेद पूर्वक. इफ इट इज नॉट खेद पूर्वक यू कैन जस्ट यूज द्वितीया विभक्ति. But since it is Keda Purvak, you can say it is Matu Smarati, etc. Ked Purvak. Shashtiyata sartha pratyayena. Upari, uparishtat, adaha, adastat, puraha, purastat. जैसे मुंडकोपनिषद मंत्र है ना. I think all these shabdas will come. That 2 to 11 I think. है ना. ब्रह्मा पुरस्तात् ब्रह्मजदश्चिनश्चोत्तरेण. that mantra. अधश्चोर्ध्वं प्रसुतं ब्रह्मैवेदं विश्वमिदं वरिष्ठं. so अधः, अधस्तात्, पुरस्तात्, पश्चात्, दक्षिणतः, everything is there in that mantra. ये सर्वे will be in षष्ठी.
2 to 12.
2 to 12, sorry. 2 to 12. What is the beginning of that mantra?
Yes.
2 to 11, no?
No, 2 to 12.
What is 2 to 11? I think it's 2 to 11.
2 to 11 is Natatra Surya.
That is 2 to 10. 2 to 10 is Natatra. Natatra Suryo Bhati na Chandratarakam is 2 to 10.
Okay.
And 2 to 11 is Brahmayvedam Amritam Purasthat, Brahma Paschat, Brahma Jalastinis Shotrena. So anyway, there all this mantra, all these shabdas are coming in that
So this Akarji Adashchodham cha prasrutam. So Bhagavad Gita ka shlok is influenced.
Adashchodham prasrutastasya shakha guna pravardha. No, there actually, but in Bhagavad Gita you can say there is a connection, but in 15th chapter Bhagavad Gita is closer to Kathopanishad. कठोपनिषद के द्वितीय वल्ली अथवा शायद लास्ट वल्ली अंतिम वल्ली इज लिंक्ड टू 15 चैप्टर ऑफ गीता ऊर्ध्वमूलम अधशाकम एंड इन कठ इट इज ऊर्ध्वमूलो वाक्शाकम. अस्तु यतश्च निर्धारणम बहुतों में से एक को छांटने में जिसमें से छांटा जाए उसमें षष्ठी और सप्तमी दोनों होती है. छात्राणाम छात्रेषु रामः श्रेष्ठः, छात्राणाम रामः श्रेष्ठः you can say, or अथवा छात्रेषु रामः श्रेष्ठः. Both षष्ठी and सप्तमी can be used in saying oh among all of them इतिवत्. अस्तु, back to our अभ्यासः. अद्यतन प्रत्यय अस्ति त्रिच्. त्रिच् प्रत्यय मेन मुख्य सूत्र अस्ति नुल त्रिचौ. नुल वी हैड सीन, वेयर वी हैड सीन, एनी मेमोरी? वी हैड सीन along with another pratyaya नुल. कुत्र?
It came with tum.
सत्यम, तुमुन. सत्यम, सुमुन, तुमुन. That sutra is tumun valau, kriyayam kriyarthayam. There both are there. Tumun and nul both are there. Tumun valau. Atra, that also is mean sutra. This also, nul trichau. Nul trichau is also mean. Here there are two pratyayas. Nul trich, ubayoho. So this whole abhyasa will be closely linked to tumun. All the niyamas, all the rules will be exactly like tumun. Dhatus will decline in almost the exact way as tumun. जैसे कर्तृ they have given, कर्तृ करने वाला, this will be like कर्तुम, everything. वहाँ पे तुम, अत्र तृ, that is all. So anyway, धातु से वाला कर्ता अर्थ में त्रिच प्रत्यय होता है.
Sorry, did we come across the number for this one?
हाँ, sorry. Nul tricha was 31133. 31133. This is after that Nandigrahi Pachadibhya. I think this is just before, right? 31134 is Nandigrahi Pachadibhyo Luninya Chaha. And 31133 is Nul tricha. I could be wrong. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But I think this is the...
That is right. As per the document.
Yeah, so that is... They are close to each other.
2, 3.
Right. अस्तु. धातु से वाला कर्ता के अर्थ में होता है. त्रिच का त्रि शेष रहेगा. जैसे कर्तृ, हर्तृ इतिवत्, करने वाला, हरने वाला, in this way. But अर्थ कर्ता के अर्थ में, so पितृ also you can say त्रिच प्रत्यय, but these are better examples. कर्तृ, हर्तृ, etc. धर्तृ. अस्तु. इसी प्रकार संहर्ता, धर्ता देवज्ञ, संहर्ता, अधर्ता, उपकर्ता. संहर्ता सम उपसर्ग पूर्वक, उपकर्ता उप उपसर्ग पूर्वक.
आपका जो क्वेश्चन है, ट्रिपल त्रिचाउ धातु से,
धातु नहीं, सूत्र. नुल त्रिचाउ सूत्र से. हाँ,
नुल त्रिचाउ सूत्र से, अच्छा धातु से की जगह सूत्र से पढ़ना है.
हाँ, मतलब धातु से मतलब नूल. हाँ, नूल त्रिचौ इज द सूत्र. ये एक्सप्लेनेशन यहाँ पे है. हाँ, धातु से वाला.
धातु से वाला कर्ता अर्थ में त्रिच प्रत्यय होता है. तो वेयर आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड इज, हम नूल प्रत्यय की बात कर रहे हैं कि त्रिच की?
त्रिच की. अत्र नूल की देयर इज नो परिभाषा हियर. This nul trichau is for both pratyayas, nul and trich. Here we are only talking about trich.
But we are learning trich pratyay.
Yes, we are talking about trich pratyay, but this karta arth will also come in nul. They have not given here. जैसे कारकः, कारकः में नुल प्रत्यय है. विधायकः, kaha will be shesha. In Nul Trichau, if we see the sutra, okay, we'll see the sutra. Sutra part mein 3-1, right? 31133, right?
Yes, 133, correct.
31133. Nul Trichau. इसमें तो you see कारकः. So karta will be like karakaha. This kaha will be shesha in nul. And karta mein tru shesha. Kartru, that will become karta in prathama ekvachana. So harakaha karta.
Just repeat that. Please repeat that.
Repeat.
Harakaha versus karta. Yeah.
देखिए वहाँ पे है. See this in the screen. Karakaha.
Yeah,
This is for nul. So kru dhatu if you
And it
take.
means karta. Karaka is karta.
Karakaha, the one that is doing, you can say.
One that is
Karakaha.
doing. Okay. Yeah.
Harakaha, in that way. That is, you see in this example, our expressing the agent. This is the best English translation. Agent. You can say this way. There's a kara, aka, karaka. And then doer. Doer also they have given. The one that is doing. Both will come in this artha. Nul and Trich will both be. Recently we had seen, right? Sundarji, do you remember? In Bridhaneka, I think, I'm not sure. We had seen this Nul Pratyaya. Twice it's come recently. I've forgotten where. But it is common. Vidhayakaha, etc. will come. Okay, anyway. विशेष्य के अनुसार इसके लिंग विभक्ति और वचन होते हैं. विशेष्य के अनुसार. सो एग्जाम्पल में दिस विल बी क्लियर, बट यू इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज विशेष्य नॉट विशेषण. ये मुख्य है. पुल्लिंग में इसके रूप कर्तृ शब्द. कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः कर्तारं कर्तारौ, दैट शब्द पुल्लिंग शब्द है. स्त्रीलिंग में नदी. सो द सेम थिंग यू सी. अगर हम होतृ शब्द we can take. So kartru is like karta, right? So hotru will be hota. That's all. Hota. That is why hota shabda came in Bridhaneka Swamita. Hota. Prathama ekasam. And if you want to take in Strilinga, nadivat. Hotri. Hoti also. Nadivat. Napum. Rakshi. No, actually it will be 3, I think. Hotri.
Hotri, na?
हाँ, hotri होगा. लक्षी कर्त्री वैसे होगा. You check that. Anyway, नदी शब्द के तुल्य. You can check this actually here itself. In अष्टाध्यायी धातु पाठ. Trich is not here, right? You see Trich? It's here. Hartri, you see? Rikara is also coming. Hartri. So, hotri. Rakshi kartri. Kartri. In that way, this will come. Rakara will come. In Pullinga, Rakara nasti. Strilingi, Rakara asti. स्त्रीलिंग अंत में नदी के तुल्य. नपुंसकलिंग में उपरियुक्त, उपरी उक्त ढंग से. उपरी उक्त मतलब उपरी उक्त ढंग से रूप चलेंगे. कर्तृ, दैट इज दिस इज द नपुंसकलिंग. उपरी उक्त दिस थिंग. कर्तृ कर्तृणी कर्तृणी. कर्तृ कर्तृणी कर्तृणी. दिस इज नपुंसकलिंग रूप. प्रायः सभी धातुओं से त्रिच प्रत्यय लगता है. त्रिच प्रत्ययांत के साथ कर्म में षष्ठी होती है. सो षष्ठी विभक्ति. अपिच सो एग्जाम्पल जैसे पुस्तकस्य कर्ता. पुस्तकस्य हर्ता धर्ता. धातु को गुण होता है. सो धातु विल गेट गुण. ऋ विल गेट अर्ता. दैट इज द गुण हियर. ऋ टू अर. जैसे पुस्तकस्य षष्ठी. पुस्तकस्य कर्ता हर्ता. नियम 100 अष्टचत्वारिंशत् त्रिच प्रत्यय लगाकर रूप बनाने के लिए ये नियम स्मरण कर लें. नियम 132. दिस इज फ्रॉम तुमुन ना. 132 इस तुमुन प्रत्यय से नियम. इसे 1 से 7 पूरा लगेगा, बट वी डोंट नीड टू सी ऑल दैट. विल सी हियर. रूप बनाने के लिए, रूप बनाने का सरल उपाय ये है कि तुम के स्थान पर त्र लगा दो बस. तो इफ आई नो कृ धातु, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स टेक कृ धातु कर्तुम, दैट विल बिकम कर्तृ. तुम के स्थान पर त्र, त्रिज प्रत्यांत रूप बना जाता है. धातु को गुण होता है. कर्तुम कर्तृ, हर्तुम हर्तृ. इसी प्रकार भर्तृ, भर्तृ प्रपंच, भर्तृ, धर्तृ, लेखित्र.
In Tumun, we said it is like के लिए. उसको, पढ़ने को,
दो,
पढ़ने के लिए.
हाँ, दो अर्थ, दो कार्य होगा वो प्रथम कार्य के. भोजनस्य, भोक्तुम गच्छति, इज गोइंग टू ईट. भोजन के लिए गच्छ रहा है.
के लिए को. And here it is like खाने वाला.
खाने वाला. सत्यम. Meaning is different. Meanings are different.
Yeah, okay.
Rupa is same, similar.
Purpose is different.
Purpose is different.
Yeah,
Trich pratyaya meaning will be like null pratyaya. Person who is doing. At tumun is when you are doing two things. Same karta, samana karta, dvikarya. So prathama karya tu. You can use both, you know. You can say patitra ashramam patitum gacchati. Ashrame patitum gacchati. You can say he is going to the ashram.
Reader, पढ़ने वाला पढ़ने को जाता है.
पढ़ने के लिए जाएगा. हाँ, सत्य, जाता है. Like that, exactly. लेकित्र, लेखितुम गच्छति. बोथ यू कैन यूज. और इवन हाँ, यहाँ पे पुस्तकस्य देखे ना, पुस्तकस्य लेखित्र, लेखितुम गच्छति. एवरीथिंग यू कैन पुट इन वन सेंटेंस. पठित्र, रोडित्र, एटसेट्रा. भोक्तृ, पक्तृ. पक्तृ में कौन सी है धातु? धातु क्या है? पक्तृ.
पच.
पच, दुपशच, पाके, पच. तो चकार ककार हो गई. कैसे? चोह कुहु. सत्यम. और यष्ट्र, यष्ट्र व्हाट इज अ धातु?
यज.
सत्यम, सत्यम. यज, यज, यज इज सत्यम. यज, यज इष्टायाम आई थिंक. सो यज से यष्ट्र कैसे? हाउ इट हैपेंड? कथम? Shtunashtuhu, Shtutva Sandhi, Shtutva Sandhi, Shtunashtuhu. That is for the Shakara, correct. But this whole, this Jakara became Shakara. How?
Yes. Yes, tree.
We saw this sutra. So the hint is this, since this sutra will follow exactly Tumun. This sutra we have seen in Tumun. Yashtum. तुमुन में वैसे होगा. यष्टुम और इष्टुम में भी तुमुन हैड.
Not just for sandhi.
No, sandhi nahi. It is not sandhi.
Okay.
This is one sutra called Vrasja, Brasja, Srija, Mrija, Yaja, Raja, Braja, Chashamsha. A little hard. There yaja comes, right? Vrascha, Brascha. Okay, we'll see here. Yaja.
We did come across this in Swamiji's class.
It is common, yeah. It comes many times. This one, where is this one? Yeah, Raja nahi, Yaja Raja. Here. Vrascha, Brascha, Srija, Mrija, Yaja, Raja, Bhraja, Chasham, Shaha. For all these dhatus, Vrascha, Brasja, Srija, Mrija, Yaja, all these dhatus, Vrasch, भ्रश्च सृज मृज यज राज भ्राज एतेषां शब्दानां शकारान्त शब्दानां छकारान्त शब्दानां च झलि परे तथा च पदान्ते शकार आदेश। तो यही हुआ है शकार आदेश, यज से यष्ट देयर।
So these are not sandhis, these are simple rules, is it?
Correct.
How do we remember the niyamas?
Sutra, some is all sutras, not sandhi sutras. That is.
Not sandhi sutra, just other niyamas,
Yeah.
other sutras.
Yeah. Then srashtra, praveshtra, srashtra 2 बार they have given. srashtra, praveshtra. गात्र, गाई से गा. How? Any memory? This is a little difficult.
Read it. का हो जाता है गई धातु का.
हाँ.
Was in one of the
Yeah.
pratyaya lessons we
Tumun
read.
only. Tumun it would have come. All of this came in Tumun. Ghumasta ghapa jahati samali, I think. This is not that. Gai gatum. I think it is that.
यहाँ पर we really need that mind reading instruction tool. We cannot do search, we cannot open notebooks. How to find these many quickly? We just feel हाँ देखा था टाइम, but कहाँ देखा था वो ढूंढने में तो बहुत टाइम लगता है.
ये है ना घुमास्ता या अभ्यास है, अभ्यास है, अभ्यासात. सी मा स्था गा पा, ये for these 4 sutras that will happen.
Where we read like गाय का गा हो जाता है. So that is how it was in Tumun Kathe, right? ये particular sutra is not mentioning
Wait,
that.
it is not. What does it say? What does the sutra say? Any question? Achha, for this is for e kara. हाँ, sorry. This is for dirgha e, giyate, sthiyate. For ga, what is the sutra for ga? We saw, right, somewhere. Gai to ga.
Yes.
We did see.
This is not gai to ga. This is Sadakarya.
This is this is ga to gi. So gai to ga satyam. This is ga to gi. So यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं.
I think it's 6145. Just check that.
वो क्या है? What is the name of the sutra?
I don't know the name.
I think it's Adesha Shiti, right? Yeah.
I think it's 145.
इसमें है क्या गायते? हाँ, सत्यम सुंदर जी, बहुत सम्यक. Adesha Shiti. See, glai has become glata. Same way, gai will become gata. Samyak Sundar ji. Yes, Adesha Upadeshe Ashiti. This sutra makes I into A. And A to E, next level will be from this Ghumastagapa Jahati Samhari. Satyam, Samyak. Astu. Then, ha. So, ga, all of this will be that. Huh? Da, datra, dha, dhatra. There is no transformation here. These sutras are all same only. Nya, nyatra, ahva, everything is same. Vidhatra, whatever. Gantra. So, gantra में क्या धातु है?
गम धातु.
गम.
The merge to na, and this is this pratyay. ऐसा है?
Sorry.
प्रत्यय उसके.
Sorry, गमादि क्या?
गम में म change to na.
हाँ, सत्यम. So why it says
अनुस्वार.
अनुस्वार. Why अनुस्वार? अनुदात.
अनुस्वार or it is the last akshara of the following.
Satyam. So it is same as tumun where we say gantum ichha.
Yeah.
Gam gatau dhatu. Here there is a sutra, long sutra is there for gam, ram, yam and upayantre yan. This अनुदातोपदेश वनदितमोत्यादीनाम है ना सुंदर जी, is that correct?
Correct. Yeah.
That one. Anudattopadesha vanatita. Okay. Then this last one. Sodru Vodru.
Anudata Upadesha, Anudata, etc.
Satya.
That is our 6437.
6437. That 6437 in some places it is 38. So it is better to know Anudata Upadesha Vanatita Motyadi.
Yeah, Anudata Upadesha.
Andas.
Vanatita Noti.
Satyam. Vanatita Noti Adina. Anunasika Lopo Jali Niti.
Anunasika Lopa Jali
Niti. That Lopa, Anunasika will get Lopa and then Nakara will come. Anyway. Niti. Then Agre, if Antima, Sodru, Vodru, Srashtru, Drashtru. Sodru. Kim Dhatu Asti, Kasmin Dhatu.
Right? To carry the weight.
That is Vodru, na? Vodru, okay. Vahadhatu. This is Vahadhatu. Sodru.
Sodru means Sahan Karma.
Sahan, Satyam. So, Sahan. Tolerance. Sahanam Sarva Dukkanam. Sahadhatu, Ha became O. There is a sutra here. We didn't see this sutra. I don't think we saw this sutra in our Tumun. There is a sutra. Sahi Vahorod Avaranasya. Sahi Vahorod. Sahase So. Sahi. ये है सही वहोरोद अवर्णस्य can you hear me?
It's fine.
Okay. Sahi vahorod avarnasya. So this sutra makes saha to sodhum. You see here again sodhum. So तुमुन जो जैसे ही है सोढ़ा त्रिच and vah also. Vah second sutra, second shabda there. Vodru, Vodha is in lang lakar. Sahi Vaha, in Saha and Vaha. For those two dhatus, there is a sutra. And for Srash and Drash, this also we didn't see. So for these two, there is a sutra. For these two, there is a sutra. Sriji Drishor, Jhalyamikiti. What is this, Prashna?
For the sutra, Akarshi, that you said, Sahi Vaho Roda Varnasya, when we look at that example, okay, Saha Jod Tumun, and then it's going till in the fifth step it becomes Sa plus Dhum and then Sodhum. There is a line. Line says, Chhalope Purvasya Dirghonah Itiyanena Akarasya Dirghe Prapte Tad Badhitva Sahi Vaho Rod Avarnasya Iti Okaradesha. So, what does that particular line mean? So how will Chhalope so Sa Jod Hum? How will this Chhalope work here? That was one thing. So
this is the. Do you remember this sutra? Dhralope Purvasya Dirgunaha? We'd seen this.
Yes, I remember the sutra, but Karya also.
So this sutra and Rory are siblings. Rory, these are Sandhi sutras. Rory, that is Punaramate. That is
it would become.
Correct. But it doesn't become Sa. See, ideally it should, right?
Okay.
But it doesn't. Because of Sahi Vahorod Avaranas. So here you see, step by step they have given. This is all Laghu. It's not for us now. You see Tumun Valau Kriyayam Kriyartayam, that is for Tumun Pratyaya. Then Hodaha will make Ha to Dha. Then Tha to Dha, that's Yashastator Dhodaha. Then Dha to Dha, Shtunash to Hu. Then Dakara Lopa, Dhode Lopaha. You see, one by one there is a method to all of this. Then Agre, Srashtru Drashtru. Srashtru Drashtru, there is a sutra. Sriji Drishor. Sriji Drishor Jhalyam Akiti. So we'll see that also. Only the new ones I am seeing. The other ones are already in Tumun. We have seen some of the other ones in Tumun. Mukhya only we saw today. Others already we have done in Tumun. But here you see Sriji Drishor Jhalyamakiti, Sriji Dhatu and Drish Dhatu. For these two dhatus, this will work. Sriji will become Srashtr. Examples they have not given here. Here there again. Srashta. Slagu Siddhanta Kavani. Srashta is this Trich Pratyaya. And see Natsyati also Adyatana Vishas.
What is the meaning of this word?
Srashtr. Srij dhatu to this what will you say this Srij dhatu is for
Srijanand.
no, here they have given one
Creation?
they have given an example. I am searching for the example here. That example will make it clear. Sarjanam, you see, Sarjanam, Darshanam. Sarjanam suggests to like sort of create or generate, or we can check here. Create will be here. This dhatu pata, creation. Srishtva is there, na? Why? Tad Srishtva Tadevanupravishat. That is there, right?
Yeah.
I was searching, thinking of that. You see here.
Like Srishtva.
You see the second one.
Like Srishti.
Srishtva is Tva Pratyaya. Srijadhatu Tva Pratyaya Srishtva.
Yeah, Tva Pratyaya, correct.
Same thing. Srijadhatu is creation. Tad Srishtva Tadevanupravishat in Taittiriya Upanishad. Srijadhatu is to create. Second one. Create, generate, produce. So this will become Srashtum or Srashtr or whatever. I just lost where we were.
So सृष्टि करने वाला सृष्टा.
सृष्टि करके, सृष्टवा के अर्थ वैसे है ना, त्वा प्रत्यय इस ये करके कुछ और कर रहा है.
सृष्टा, the शब्द that we are looking at with this current pratyay, trich pratyay.
नहीं, trich pratyay सृष्ट. त्वा प्रत्यय will be सृष्टवा. This is सृष्ट, sra, not sr, sra. Srashtr.
Srashta in that sense.
Srashta. Srashta is Pullinga. And Strilinga will be Srashtri. And Napumsakalinga will be Srashtra.
So we can say Ishvara is Srashta.
Exactly. Ishvara is Srashta. Jagat Srashta. You can say that is. Like Tad Srishtva Tadevanu Pravishit mein Karta kaun hai? That way you can say. There the Karta is Srashta. Who is the Srashta? That is Paramatma. In that way you can say. So Sarjanam Darshanam. This is a different pratyaya. This we will see day after tomorrow. This is Lyut pratyaya. Tyabi Mukhya asti. Lyut will come in the next abhyasa. So you see the same dhatu. One dhatu is there. Srij dhatu. And there is one sutra. Sriji Drishor Jhalyamakiti. For this Srij dhatu, with the rule of this Sriji Drishor Jhalyamakiti, you can take Tva pratyaya. And because you can take Tva pratyaya, you can also take Lep pratyaya. You just add Upasarga. And then Tumun pratyaya, Trich pratyaya, Lyut pratyaya. You see how many pratyayas just from one Shabda. That is one sutra. So one sutra can govern lot of pratyayas. And Drish also same. Drish will become Drashtva, Drishtva, Drashtum, Darshanam, Drishtaha, all of this. Abhaji, question?
Possible to see the number, please?
Number? Sorry. Number 6158.
Okay, thanks.
Astu. Samaptam. Shvaha Abhyasa. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashagato Vande Bhagavanto Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagini Vyamavadyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.
Akash ji,